Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Podcast Home. My name is Adam.
And my name is Sarah. We're very happy you're here with us today.
If you want to improve your English listening, speaking, and confidence, you are in the right place.
In today's episode, we are going to focus on daily life conversations. These are the conversations you use every day, at home, at work, with friends, and even with strangers.
This episode is a long episode, so don't worry. You can listen while walking, working, or relaxing. Good morning, Sarah. You look tired today.
Good morning, Adam. Yes, I am a little tired. I didn't sleep well last night.
Oh, really? What happened?
I stayed up late watching videos on my phone. That was a bad idea.
I do that too sometimes. When I use my phone before bed, I can't sleep properly.
Same here. I think I need a better night routine.
Me too. Tomorrow I will try to sleep earlier. You look tired means someone looks sleepy or weak. Stay up late means not sleeping early. Bad idea means something was not good to do. Sarah, Adam, did you finish the report?
Not yet. I'm still working on it.
That's okay. Please try to finish it by this afternoon.
No problem. I will do my best.
Thank you. Let me know if you need any help.
I really appreciate that.
Not yet means it is not finished now. Do my best means try very hard. I appreciate that means thank you very much. Excuse me, how much is this shirt?
It's $20.
That's a little expensive. Do you have a cheaper one?
Yes, we have this one for $15.
That's better. I'll take it.
Great choice. Excuse me is used to be polite. Expensive means costs a lot of money. I'll take it means I want to buy it.
Hey, Adam, do you want to hang out today?
Sure. What do you want to do?
Maybe we can go for coffee.
That sounds great. What time?
Around 5 p.m.?
Perfect. See you then.